Hey everyone, welcome to my live. It's Friday and we're talking fitness tips. So why is fitness, rest and recovery, all of those things so important when you're suffering from stress and anxiety? The body works all together. So as we know, the more fit you are, the easier it is for your body to handle the stress and the anxiety and everything else that's coming in and coming at you. And we also know that, we have daily stressors, we have like life stressors, which most of you know I'm going through at this moment. So one of the things that will help you with your stress, anxiety, PTSD, depression, and all of those things is actual physical activity, exercise, building muscle, all of the things. But the other side of that is your rest and recovery. Now, the problem, and I've found this over the past 25 years when I'm training people, is they like to just keep going and going and going and going. And I get that because there's that mindset to think, I have to keep going, I'm going to lose what I gained. In actuality, when I'm programming people and doing their training programs, and I've done this because I'm a marathon coach and I'm a triathlon coach, and I've done marathons and I've done triathlons, and I've been in the fitness industry for over 25 years. I actually do this, is program rest and recovery into your actual program. So if you're thinking that you always have to be going top notch and you're always pushing, that's not how the body works. And on top of that, when you are suffering from high stress and anxiety or depression, PTSD, all of the things that go along with that, and those all stem from life events and your high stress and your body not being able to recover. The problem is your body backfires. So what you think you're gaining, you're actually not. So if you're already in a high stress situation and you're looking to do some weight training, because the more muscle that you build, the easier your body can absorb the stress coming in and your body can push it back out. The other side of that is your hormone levels will become out of control because you've never stopped. You've never taken that downtime. Now, your rest and recovery can look like many things. It can literally be, I'm so tired, I'm going to lay on the couch all day and watch Netflix. Who doesn't love that, right? The other thing too is your rest and recovery can look like an easy workout, like a nice, easy walk out in nature, in the sun, whatever, outdoors, basically what I'm saying. It's great if you want to go to the gym and you want to walk on the treadmill, but you know what? There's that extra bonus of walking outside that your body then has to actually propel yourself forward, opposed to the treadmill track that's actually, pushing you forward. You actually have to work. But the other thing is you've got fresh air, sunshine, nature. It allows your brain to relax as well. And that's just as important. Doing an easy yin yoga session. So that's one of the reasons why I took my certification in yin yoga, is to balance off with my clients who especially suffer from back problems, which most people have anyway. So instead of doing always hardcore Ashtanga, which I normally teach, the yin yoga is a recovery yoga. So yin yoga, what does that mean? It's like you hold your positions longer. You get into a position in the body, it's like propped with bolsters or bricks or straps, whatever you need, and you just allow the body to relax and rest in that position. Okay, so it can also look like, something fun if you wanted to go skating, because we're coming up into that kind of season. Something that's easy. I know there's a lot of you guys, Irene, I see that you're on, thanks for watching, horseback riding, but like an easy ride. Like something that's easy that will help your mind and body relax while you're still actively doing something. So when I talk about when I'm building a training program for somebody and there's a rest and recovery week, it's not that you're not doing anything, you're doing much less. Okay? Also, when you're looking at taking a break, sometimes your body physically needs to just stop. Nothing. No walk, no nothing. Those should be programmed into your training program, whether it's over a month, whether it's over a week, whatever your body. So everybody's body's a little bit different. Now, to explain, when I'm building a training program for somebody, we work in a periodization program. So every 4 weeks, things change because you have to keep changing in order to produce the results that you want and progress the body. Your mind does the same thing. So, you have 3 weeks of your building, build, And then your fourth week, you come back down and you rest. Now, some people I've found over a course of time, some people can only build for 2 and they rest on the 3rd week. Other people can build for 4 weeks and they rest on the 5th. This is getting to know what your body requires, what your brain requires, because if you're so exhausted that your brain can't do it, your body's really not going to do it either, and you shouldn't be pushing. Okay, so there's other activities that you can do. Just keep the body mobile. You can actually do a stability workout. You can do some work on your flexibility. You can work on your stability. All those 3 things are completely different. So when you're looking at working out in order to stay strong, to help combat your stress and anxiety, understand that your rest breaks and recovery time periods are equally as important. If you're so stressed out, so tired, so everything, it's going to throw your hormones even out of whack more than they already are due to your high stress. So you want to find an activity that you can do without overextending. So guys, that's the fitness tip for today. If you have any questions or comments, please put them below. I will answer anything that you've got, because I know it gets a little confusing and people are like, usually people are following programs off of YouTube or whatever, and they may not be personalized or something specific for your body. Understand that everybody's body is different, and also when you're looking to make a change, sometimes your body just needs a change. So instead of always pounding weights, doing heavy weights, you can gain just as much core strength from Pilates, Tai Chi, yoga, all of the different things. So sometimes it's good to experiment, find something new. You never know. Your body may love it more than what you're currently doing. Guys, that's me for today. Like I said, post in the comments below. Let me know what you're doing or whatever problems you're having or what you are doing for your rest and recovery.